What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a tutorial on this look that I have on right now. So if you're interested in seeing how I created it, then just keep watching. Your first color, we're going to use the My Little Pony movie palette. This thing right here. It says all broke. That tragedy is over. I'm actually really liking this tape method. I've never tried it before because I was like, oh, that's stupid. But it's gonna make it sharp, y'all. Now we're going to use the ColourPop Element Surprise palette. And we're going to use this pink. It's kind of the same color, but not really. I'm going to go back in with the My Little Pony palette and take, I don't know about these ColourPops. I've kind of been having a bad experience with them. I just lost the lid. I've been having a bad experience with these little pops, whatever you want to call these little containers. I feel like they never pick up pigment. Maybe that's just me, I'm not doing it right, or I'm doing something wrong. Please let me know if I'm doing something wrong because I would love to be able to use them. Just taking that purple and putting it. And just keep pressing it in until you're satisfied with how dark it is. It's honestly how makeup works. And then take a clean blending brush and blend it out. Use a strong hand, like a strong man hand. Your shit will come out patchy as hell. Just an FYI. Okay, we are done with that. I'm freaking hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
Alright, now we got that out of the way. Now we are going to cut the crease. As always, I'm just going to use my Maybelline concealer and the
Mommy,
I'm going
Daddy went to McDonald's.
just put a little bit on there and then use your blending or your cut crease brush. Oh my god, I cannot speak today. Blend it kind of into like the center.
Good. 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 Good.
And then blend
Good.
out. Ta-da! You have a cut crease. Good job, sis. Good job. But yeah, so this is gonna be ratchet. I have to use Oliver School Glue to put on my Star Crushed Minerals glitter because I lost my eyelash glue. So yeah. I'm just going to take, no, maybe I'm not. Yeah, turn her up on my pants. I'm going to take a little flat brush and kind of just do this.
You said. Take your boy.
So for the inner corner of the eye, I took the Too Faced Candlelight Glow, and I took the lighter duo version of it, and dusted it in the corner of the eyeball. And then take it the same one and highlight the brow bone. Only the center part. Do not highlight. Do not ever highlight from here over. Always start from here over. So now we're doing the eyeliner. It is the NYX eyeliner as always. Please recommend me some new eyeliners. I'm trying to find some new eyeliners that I would love to try out, but I don't know what to use at all. Okay guys, this completes the makeup look. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.